I'm sure you've heard the news. Hiccups are the worst. But what if I told you there's a 10-second trick to get rid of them instantly? All right, here's the deal. When those annoying hiccups hit, grab a glass of water. Now, here's the science-backed trick. Plug your ears with your fingers and take 10 sips of water without stopping. Yep, you heard me right. 10 sips, ears plugged. Why does this work? It's all about resetting your vagus nerve, which controls those pesky hiccups. By drinking water and plugging your ears, you're giving your body a little sensory overload, and boom! Hiccups be gone. Try it out next time and impress your friends with this hiccup hack. And hey, if it works for you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more cool tips. See you in the next one.